Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and today we are going to be making a strawberry banana drink. So our ingredients today, we're going to be using a banana, probably about a cup and a half of strawberries, 1.5 cups of milk, some strawberry ice cream, and some of my strawberry topping glaze that I had made before. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our Ninja. Got my little garbage bowl here. I got some strawberries that I didn't cut up all together. So I'm going to cut these. It's only like 3 of them, so it was sitting around in there and I didn't cut them up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put all of my strawberries in there. I already washed them and cleaned them. I got my 1.5 cups of milk. If you're lactose intolerant, you can go ahead and do like almond milk or something, or if you don't want to use milk, use water ice. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up this banana. This is real simple and fast. So we got some ice cream here. I'll do like a cup of ice cream. I'm not measuring, so I'm just going by eyeballing it. Put that in there. Couple more scoops. That looks like that's about a cup. A little bit over. And I'm gonna do some glaze. I already got strawberries in there. If you didn't know how to make this, you can always go to my video on the strawberry glaze. You can use it as a topping. So I'm using this because it calls for like some sugar, but this is already sweet and flavorful. So I'm gonna get some of this juice out of this. And instead of putting that sugar in there, I'm just gonna use this. Always go back and watch my video on how to make this on the strawberry glaze. And we're gonna put it on some pouring it in there. Okay, my other little fall drinks that I got one at a bridal shower. Just a little bit left, some more in there. I want everybody to get the equal amount. And that is it. Let's taste it. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. Thank you for watching how to make the strawberry banana easy drink. Cheers. Hope I see you in my next video.